Alright guys, so I wanted to explain a little bit about BSDF because we talked about how we could apply glass BSDF. BSDF in 3D modeling stands for bidirectional scattering distribution function. Okay, so it's a mathematical based concept of the way light hits an object. So depending on what type of BSDF, like it was for glass, it's basically using math to figure out the light rays. Here's an example of some light beams hitting, that it's going to treat that mathematically, the probability of how the light will scatter. So if it's hitting glass, probability is if it's hitting glass material, it's going to scatter or refract in a certain way. So that's all that BSDF stands for. It's just that it's mathematical and it's how light is scattering depending on what surface it's hitting. So you will probably see that on a final exam for the fourth quarter.